In today's video, I'll teach you how to post video on BiliBili. First of all, launch open BiliBili application. You can see over here BiliBili application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So if you want to post the video, it is actually very simple. Tap on the plus icon that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now you'll be able to find three options: upload video, share post, write blog. Tap on this option, upload video. Now once you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to upload the videos. You'll be able to see the videos from your gallery over here. Likewise, you'll also be able to see the templates and stock videos. Simply tap on the video that you would like to upload. Now once you do that, that particular video will be played for you. Tap on the select option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll also be able to select other videos if you want. After you select all the videos that you would like to post, tap on the next option that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be able to edit the video, you'll be able to add the music, text, sticker, etc. So simply edit the video according to your choice and tap on the next option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to upload this video. You'll also be able to edit the cover if you want. Tap on the option edit cover. After you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to edit the cover like this. Simply tap on the cover of your choice and tap on the next option. Now tap on the done option. Now once you do that, you'll also be able to enter a title. Tap on the field of title. Now over here you'll be able to enter the title. Enter the title according to your choice. Now once you do that, you'll also be able to enter the introduction. You'll also be able to add the tags. You'll be able to add it to the playlist. You'll also be able to schedule it. Also, you'll be able to find the option for original content. If your content is original, you can toggle on this button. If not, simply toggle off this button. Now after you adjust all the settings, tap on the submit option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the video is being processed. Simply wait for a while. Now after a while your video will be posted in BiliBili. So that is how you post video on BiliBili. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.